Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we are in my network closet here with the Motorola B12 DOCSIS 3.1 cable modem. I picked this up because my Netgear CM3000 died after just 6 months. It started having issues. It wasn't connecting. Connection was intermittent. All kinds of issues with that modem, and their support was absolutely terrible. It took multiple days just to get them to answer back and be asking the same information. I finally had to call them and spend 40 minutes on the phone before they finally sent me an RMA number to send it back and get a new one. But I'm probably just going to keep that as a spare and continue to use this one for the foreseeable future because it is working just fine. DOCSIS 3.1, it's got a 2.5 gig port on it. Comes up here, goes to my Alta Labs Route 10 router right here because these are all 2.5 gig ports right there. So I am getting my full 2 gig download speed on this router. And then we have my on this modem. And then we have my router connected here, 10 gig to 10 gig to the switch to all my access points, as well as wired wall outlets in the house, all come in right there. And then my smart home stuff down here, my Ring alarm, Philips Hue bridge, and a LiftMaster bridge down here for the garage door opener to control it with the app. And then we have my Home Assistant PC down here on the bottom that runs some Home Assistant stuff. Basically just use it for integrating stuff with HomeKit that doesn't natively work with HomeKit, as well as a few other services. Like I run Uptime Kuma, so I can ping different websites or send HTTPS request to websites to monitor my internet connection, which I'm actually doing right now that I've been having issues with my previous modem. I just ping 8.8.8.8 and go to google.com via HTTPS. That way I can monitor the connectivity of my internet and see when it's down, how long it's down, and that kind of stuff without actually having to track it. Be at my computer or something like that. I can see it on the app or whatever via Home Assistant, so it's a lot easier that way. So yeah, the new Motorola B12 is working great, and the Netgear CM3000 will be going back for warranty. Like I said, their warranty process is an absolute pain in the butt. I think they make it like that so they'll hopefully just go buy another one and forget about it because they make it take multiple days, slow email back and forth. You get like one response per day, and then they just ask for pictures, and then they ask for this, and then they ask for that. So you're 3 days in, and they haven't even sent you an RMA number to send your previous one back yet. So absolute pain in the butt with Netgear support. I wouldn't recommend them. Like I said, this is a new modem. I don't know when it came out, but it's marked as new on their website. I haven't seen it in a while. It's got this like fabric on it, kind of like a sleek design. If you need to put this out, on a table or something somewhere or next to your TV, it doesn't look terrible. It's pretty nice. It's not just some plastic box. It does not have Wi-Fi. It is just a modem. It's not a modem router combo or anything like that. It's just a modem. But you've got coax in, power in, and a 2.5 gig Ethernet port. It's not like the CM3000 where you have 2.5 gig and then you have two link aggregate capable ports. It's just got one port on it, but for the average home user with 2 gig internet, it can handle that just fine. So that's a little update with what's going on there. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and have a great day.